sa Calvit C, tumulong siya sa akin para palakasin yung immune system ko. Kasi dati lagi ako nagkaka-flu. Hello everyone, I'm Mary Anturla and I'm residing here in Singapore with my husband and 2 kids. I've been here for 13 years. I just want to share that Calvit C really helped my life because I always have problem with gastric acid reflux, especially when I'm working with long hours and I always miss my meals. I always have acid reflux. And for a long related job, you need to have a vitamin C, especially when COVID hits. I really need to boost immunity. COVID C helped because for the longest time, even though I'm here in Singapore, I often get sick. So yung sa COVID C, tumulong siya sa akin para palakasin yung immune system ko. Kasi dati lagi ako nagka-flu. So every time papasok ako ng bus, maya magka-flu na ako. Works great yung Calvit C sa akin. Ang ganda niya talaga, as in. Kasi nakatulong siya sa pag-ayos ng system ko. At the same time, makikita niyo yung glow sa face ko. It really gives glow to my face. It definitely gives boost my immune system. And I can take it without any food in the morning in an empty stomach, which is a plus bonus for me.